333 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 7th August 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 7, 2020, 142 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 7,947. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,282. Total recovered cases stands at 5,595. Total 70 deaths are reported till August 7, 2020. 78 years male from Vasco admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Marga with comorbid conditions expired on 6th August 2020. 62 years male from Mapsa brought dead on 7th August to North Goa District Hospital Mapsa. 80 years male from Sada Vasco and 30 years male from Kudnam Bicholim both admitted at Goa Medical College Bambolim with comorbid condition expired on 6th August 2020. Out of 3,861 samples tested, 2,226 are negative, 333 are positive, 1,302 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 67. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 44, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 7th August 2020. Breakup of total 2,282 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 22, CSC Sakre 55, CSC Pernam 48, CSC Valpai 81, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 81, USC Panji 85, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldana 21, PSC Bedki 16, PSC Kandolim 58, PSC Kansarvarnam 9, PSC Korwai 51, PSC Kolim 63, PSC Chimbal 108, PSC Shuolim 23, PSC Porvorim 51, PSC Mayam 23, Travelers by Road Flight Train 14. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 36, CSC Kankona 21, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 158, USC Vasco 377, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 49, PSC Kansaulim 40, PSC Chimchinem 4, PSC Kortalim 327, PSC Kurtorim 61, PSC Lutolim 33, PSC Marsaim 36, PSC Kwapam 38, PSC Sangam 39, PSC Shiroda 28, PSC Darbandara 49, PSC Ponda 127, PSC Navilim 50. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.